Okay, there were four case presentations which happened, and in fact they were all very interesting in their own sense, and they all had some very relevant topic to share. Water conservation, wonderful topic. I mean, that's something, an area which is also fast becoming a domain of not only the experts, but also of the marketing managers. I'm sure the budding marketing managers would agree. The second point which in fact, and I think a jury will agree with me on this, was that the whole flow was of the whole case study presentation was quite good. However, due to time constraints, we couldn't discuss a few things here and there. Two inputs, and we'll quickly wrap up the session, and then we'll decide on who is the winner. One, whenever we are presenting a case, and I'm sure you are all budding managers, we all deal with paucity of time. And in fact, there is never enough time for anything in this life. I still remember in my student days, somebody used to come and ask, what is happening? And I used to say, boss, time nahi hai mere paas because I just have a cricket match to. Secondly, before the paucity of time, it's very important that we are able to structure the knowledge and information, and most importantly, what to prioritize and what not to prioritize. There will be loads of information, there will be loads of data which would be available. But what is important? So in water conservation, one of the jury members raised a very valid issue. That are you really focusing on something which is relevant vis-a-vis the water conservation? It may happen that the cost factor may go up while you are installing the water sensors, and you are only saving about 154 KL in a year? So which data to put in and which data not to put in is probably where we all need to understand and put it across. One input which always comes up in the corporate world is that which information is relevant in which particular case. So, while we had Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, which was, I think, was spoken right from the heart, a very passionate speech. But I would have really wanted to know, was the topic really related? Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. या यहाँ पे सब कुछ चलता है, लैक ऑफ प्लानिंग भी चलती है. हम बात किसके बारे में कर रहे थे? हम प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट के बारे में तो बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन हम ये भी बात कर रहे थे कि देयर वाज नो प्लानिंग. हम प्लानिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे थे या चलता है वर्क कल्चर के बारे में बात कर रहे थे? Probably that line needs to be understood. We are a very responsible set of individuals and very responsible set of human beings. So when the topic has to be decided, don't worry what you are going to speak or what you are going to say, but the topic must be relevant. We very well agree. I mean, whatever was shared by Mr. Avasthi, yes, we are aware of it. We in corporate world, every day we face these issues. If you think that this is only an issue in government, no. Whole day you will work on a presentation, and in the evening, Mr. Pradhan is smiling, your boss will come and say, this is all bullshit, forget it, I don't need it. I don't need it. And you have been at the office till 9 o'clock, and your wife has been waiting at home to go for shopping, and it is there, all your efforts wasted. So please, open your eyes and see this doesn't just happen in government sector. It happens in private sector, and in project management, be it government or in private sector, it's a reality. Project management, the basic issue is what you started up with, the plans you started up with. Dr. Viz is here, and he's a known authority in science and technical issues. He will agree. And so is Mrs. Bajaj, who is looking at part of Samtel fraternity. The project you start with, there is a plan A, and when you end up, the plan with which you started is nowhere in sight. It has totally changed. And that is what is the beauty of project planning. But anyway, that is some issue which has to be discussed later. I think it was overall a very interesting session. We all enjoyed a lot. And thank you so much for being part of this session. And we look forward to meeting you again. Thank you very much.